Let's take a look here at my magnetic wall board. So this thing is awesome. It's, for one thing, super huge. It fills a big space on the wall, and it is a metallic board, and it's actually fully magnetic. It's got this nice surface on it, and you can attach it directly into your drywall. So you don't need anchors or anything like that. It's got a lot of these little attachment points here that you just screw into the wall, and then these little covers cover up the screw head. So it looks really nice and flush against the wall there, very securely mounted on there. And the board itself is not super heavy, which I like too, so it was pretty easy to mount. It took me about 15 minutes to do that, and then it creates this really nice magnetic surface that you can have on your wall. And again, I really love that it's big. It's a huge, huge thing. So you can put all of your kids' art up. It comes with these little magnets. I think the magnets that it comes with aren't the strongest. You could definitely get some extra ones, but it gives you a couple just to try it out. You can put art up there. You can use it for your family bulletin board. Great for an office setting as well, if you want to be able to hang, memos or documents and things like that up on the wall or notices. Perfect for a classroom too, display all of your students' art up on this giant thing. And again, because it is pretty light and pretty thin, it's very easy to install that and set it up. And you can see if I get close, you can see here the how thin this material is, even though it is magnetic and metallic. And the coolest thing with this is, when you want to reposition the art, you want to take something down and hang something else up, you're not like taping it on the wall or anything, and potentially damaging the wall, as I did here when I used to tape stuff right to the wall. Instead, you've got these magnets and you can easily reposition and move things around, and it's just super easy to do that. I've also seen people put like a big sticker or other kind of like paper over top of this too, and it'll still be magnetic through that. So you can cover it with something else if you want to have kind of a more like designed surface for it. The only other thing I would say is that I did notice there's like maybe a little damage here when it shipped to me. It's very subtle. It's hard to see from a distance, but if you look up close, there's like maybe a little bit that it got banged in the box or something. It doesn't bother me, but if you're the sort of person who would be troubled by, you can only really see it in the right light by something like that, just something to keep in mind. Again, I'll probably just hang something over it. Honestly, standing back, you can't see it at all. So yeah, overall, really nice addition to my kids' art area over here as they design these beautiful masterpieces. We can hang that up on here and end up with a whole wall covered in kids' art.